Hello, my bananas, it's Brianna. Welcome back to another video. I don't know if you've noticed yet, but we are in a brand new kitchen. I've moved my house and this is our new background. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments if you think I should do something different with the background. Have it at a different angle or whatever you think. Let me know what you think. So, spring has sprung, and ramen is a very good thing to have on hand when you move because it is cheap. So, as some of you may know, I have this ramen cookbook, 101 things to do with ramen noodles. We've done a couple things out of this book, such as peach treats. So it's a little soupy. I think we've done another one, but that was the most exciting. So today, spring has sprung, so we're doing spring salad with ramen noodles, okay? So let's get started. Let me get all my stuff out. Here it is. Guess my magic's not working so well today. So we got chicken flavored ramen, 2 packets. We have grapes. We have an apple. We also have pineapple. Okay? So we have chicken ramen and fruit so far. We also have vegetable oil, sesame oil. By the way, they didn't have a smaller thing of sesame oil, and I do not enjoy sesame oil that much. So I was forced to buy this big bottle. So hopefully we'll find some more recipes with sesame oil. Let me know. Got lemon juice. It calls for smoked turkey breast, but you know what I have on hand all the time? Some butt egg meats. And I got black forest ham. That should go good, right? And some green onions. Green onions. It also calls for walnuts, but for some reason my store wasn't selling any walnuts. So I'm gonna leave those out. I also have another idea. Corn nuts. So if you want a little crunch, maybe we'll put some of these in here. Alrighty? So, gotta boil up my ramens, and then we'll start cooking it. Then we'll start cutting up all my stuff. Get ready for the salad. You guys, I have 4 burners now, by the way. 4 gas burners. So we can make anything we want. We can also use my cast iron pans. It's pretty exciting. So I've rinsed off all my produce. Let's see if my magic will cut them up for me. Let's try it like this. It's not working. So I'm just gonna cut these up. We're gonna dice up my apple. I need a cup of grapes. We're just gonna cut them in half. I need 3 tablespoons of green onions. So I don't know, like 3 green onions, I guess. And then a half cup of this pineapple that we're gonna cut up. So let me get started. You know, it'd be good to have is a big bowl. So have your bowl ready. You technically just need a half cup of this apple. So that looks pretty good. Save this little bit for me. Just cut up some of these rolly grapes before they roll away. Do you guys like red grapes or green grapes? And have you guys tried cotton candy grapes. So those are good too. You let me know what kind of grape is your favorite. So this looks pretty good. Apples and grapes. Let's not make a mess with the pineapple, or try not to. It's a little messy. I imagine you could just get already cut up pineapple chunks. But I had these pineapple rings in my cupboard because I'm gonna make pineapple upside down cake really soon in my bundt pan. And I can't wait. So that was 3 rings, that's probably good. Let's cut up our green onions. With green onions, I like to go from the white to the darker end because I think the whites have more fresh flavor, fresh oniony flavor. The dark green part is always more wilty and it has a different texture. You know what I mean? Like a grassy, woody texture. I'm also gonna cut up the ham / turkey. Just cut it into strips. I'm gonna roll it up. Strip it. Kind of loosen everything. Okay, I'm just waiting on my noodles. I'll come right back when they're ready. Alrighty, bananas, I'm back. I've cooked my 2 packages of ramen, just plain, and I've rinsed them off. So now they're cold noodles. I'm gonna take this teaspoon without anything in it. We need 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. A little bit goes a long way, so be careful. Just gonna toss that. I don't know how long you've been watching my channel, but when I moved to California, we moved in with some roommates into their house, and they absolutely loved cooking with sesame oil. It was in everything. All I smelled was sesame oil in the house. So set that aside. We're working on dressing. 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Open the lemon juice. Seems like a lot. 1/3 of a cup vegetable oil. Our 2 chicken seasoning packets. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give this a little whisk. Give it a little sniffy sniff. It smells okay. It doesn't smell as lemony as I thought. Alrighty, now let's put it all together. So we got noodles, fruits, ham, onions, dressing. Let's toss this all together. It's really colorful. It's kind of hard to like unclump all the noodles. Let's see if there's some tongs would do me better. I think that's the best I'm gonna do. Okay. Here we go. Try to get a little of everything. Okay, cheers. You know, I know my magic wasn't working earlier, but I think it is now because this is really good. I'm surprised. It's a lot of different things put together, but it's all working very nicely. I'm gonna take another bite. I'm really liking it. It's not very chickeny, but you can definitely tell there's sesame oil in it. It's fresh, of course, with the apples and the fruits. The ham gives a little saltiness. Green onions, a little more bite and freshness. I approve. I think you guys should make this for your next function, for your next spring function. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next week with another video. It's gonna be for 420, so we'll probably make a Snoop Dogg recipe. So I will see you then. Thanks for watching, bye!